Hello, my name is Emily from Max Reviews and I will be reviewing this tripod that I like a lot. I ordered this because I'm a UGC creator and I really like to have some stable but portable. I like the feature that it comes with this little kind of button so you can press to start or to hold in your phone from wherever you are. It's very versatile and very easy to use since, as you can see here, you just need to unlock these lockers and it will get longer or shorter depending on your needs. For example, that's how it worked. I like also a lot the feature that with this kind of tool you can adjust your phone and it's going to be very sturdy, very safe, and without any risk to fall down. The material is really good, it's ergonomic, it's very practical. When I want to carry, I just close it like this and I don't have any trouble carrying like this. It's not heavy at all, so I like also like that. It's very light, especially for the trips. It is very useful.